Take it back, Mister. Take it back. Bring towards you. Bring towards you. Stop, Mister. You are too far.
What's in there?
So come closer. So in the way.
No. Oh, look.
You see, you are going the wrong way. Yeah. Now.
Run around. Come on. Oh, come on.
So bring him down.
Huh?
Bring him down. No, make him a car now. He's transformed into car. Do you like it, Mister?
He's running around.
Yeah, because you are making a spin. Mister, do you like this car?
Yeah, I think
Yeah, what car is it?
it's a Ferrari. It's a Lamborghini Ferrari.
No, it cannot be both. It can be whether Ferrari or Lamborghini.
Oh, look
Or it may be something else.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah? Okay, let's transform this car. Mira, chop. Let's transform. Ooh. Is he gonna shoot now?
I don't think so.
No, he's not completely standing up. So that's his face? That's his face? Okay, now do it again. Oh.
That is his
No,
face.
you can go higher, like that. See?
Whoa, we should do this. Look, it does. Tick.
Oh, Mira, careful, he's gonna shoot you now.
I want it.
Mistake, what about your the other? What's this car's name? There,
Lightning and Cream.
Lightning McQueen. Is it broken? Is it not? Does it not work anymore?
Yes, because we got another.
There is no battery.
Look. Yes. No battery.
No battery. Okay, we'll buy new batteries. Okay, for this car as well, and then we can.
How about in?
Asda.
Yeah.
Yes, we can buy that from Asda.
Yeah, but
In the meantime, you play with your Ferrari or Lamborghini, whatever.
or
And then afterwards, when we go to Asda, we'll buy
a battery.
some batteries for this Lightning McQueen. Okay?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got the silver bigger car as well over there.
Where?
That one, carrying loads of toys. Is that broken?
Yeah, because it didn't have enough charge.
Okay. Yeah.
Look like
Now, when you grow up, you have to drive real big car.
if I could get 10 years old, I never fit there again. Why?
You'll have bigger car then.
If I have a big giant car like yours,
Yeah.
if I be 30 years old, I can drive.
Yeah, you can drive probably earlier as well.
I
Now
can
let's transform that car again. What's the blue light coming out for?
For the light it blows.
Oh, okay. Wow, it looks nice, isn't it, with blue?
Yeah, and look at this.
So what color is that car?
Blue,
No, light is blue. What's the color of the car?
orange.
Orange, yeah, orange Lamborghini, yeah, Ferrari.
Orange. It's orange because it's red.
Red Lightning McQueen, yeah.
Look, watch it.
Okay. So say goodbye to your friends now, Missy.
Where?
Yeah, in video. Goodbye. See you with new toys. See you guys with new toys.
See you guys, new toys.
So you're gonna have Lightning McQueen running next time, isn't it? You're gonna buy some batteries for Lightning McQueen? Yes, Missy? Yes, Missy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.